All right, guys, just real quick. Out here in this old farmhouse, we've got a really, probably the one of our favorite features of this old place is this fireplace. And we've been using it pretty regular. You can see got a big buildup of ash in here. There's actually probably some coals still there from a couple of days ago. But most people are familiar with these fireplace tools. Um, This is the shovel that usually comes at big box stores and so forth to shovel out uh, a fireplace that's probably a good 3 foot wide by 3 foot deep. With this little thing is just ridiculous. So I actually need to just go throw it away. What I use in here is one of these dustpans. I think I got this at either Home Depot or Lowe's, or could have possibly been Harbor Freight. But flat, wide, and super easy to clean out a large amount of ash really quickly. So just thought I would share that with you. Those little small tools are for the birds, and this has made my life a lot easier. So I wish somebody had told me about putting one of these by the fireplace a long time ago, but this just makes the job a whole lot easier. Thank you for watching just a little tip video. Please like and subscribe, share your comments below, and until next time, we'll see you guys. Take care.